purpose of weapon upgrade. Today I'm going to discuss how such elements of upgrade as handguard, upper handguard, dust cover can improve the performance of a rifle operator and what principles does Zenitco implement in its designs to make its products the best. And I've also got some breaking news, it's really huge. I also am going to announce that today. My name is Anastasia and welcome to Zenitco in English. My setup for today. This is AK-74M, on it we have B10M handguard, B19N upper handguard, B33 dust cover, PT3 buttstock, RK3 grip and DTK1 muzzle brake. It is a rather classic setup, some elements may be varied, for example we can use B19 upper handguard instead of B19N upper handguard. B19N is a bit lower and B19 has a Picatinny rail on top, so it's up to you to choose. But let's move to the topic of our discussion. The first purpose of weapon upgrade is to put additional equipment like lasers, different sights and so on. For that we need to make mounting positions in three regions. In the region of a handguard, in the region above the gas tube and in the region above the receiver, the region of a dust cover. And we also do not want any shifts in zero for our devices. That's why those elements should fit the rifle very tight. When Zenitco makes its designs for AK, we base on the design features of AK. That's why we start with a handguard, because everything is mounted to the handguard. It is our basic point. When we start making a design, we take two statements as axioms. First of all, we do not clutch and touch the barrel. That's like a sacred cow, not clutching the barrel. The second axiom is that we should not modify the rifle itself. We use only regular mounting positions. Important feature of the design of any product is its material and the way of manufacturing it. The material we use in production of our products is aluminium D16T. This material is used in aviation as well. And another point is that all our products are milled. So what does the milled products mean? We take a piece of metal and the machines drill into it and drill out a product out of the metal. This becomes this. And this way of manufacturing is more reliable than casting, for example, because the crystal lattice of the material is preserved. That makes a final product stronger, and the strength is vital when we speak about weapon upgrade, because, for example, when casting is used, the drops of metal, they melt and then they become solid together, but the crystal lattice is not preserved and also some drops of air can get inside and it makes the product weak. For example, I would like to show you just how much it weighs. This is B19, a blank bar for B19. It weighs 740 grams. The final product weighs 85 grams. So yes, this way of manufacturing, it costs more than other ways of manufacturing, but we do not want to make it cheaper and to lose in reliability. Handguard, 1 kilo and 227 grams. The final product is 185 grams. Finally, the dust cover. It is a complex product. It has two blanks for this part and for that part, and they together weigh 1 kilo and 647 grams. And the product is like this, 205 grams. So that's the way we manufacture our products. It is solid, it is reliable. The handguard is manufactured, now it is needed to put it on a rifle. And here comes a challenge. All AKs are a bit different, so they have slight differences in dimensions. That makes it difficult to make a design that will fit all of them. But we made it. How? The rifle is made of steel. The handguard is made of aluminium. Aluminium is softer than steel. So we take a rifle, a handguard, a spacer, and hit. Not like me now. You actually need to hit like Hulk. I advise to hit like Hulk. Imagine you being Hulk and hit like him. Because when you hit it, it takes the shape of your rifle and it becomes perfect for you. It fits very tight. That's why all the aiming devices that you put on such a rifle will also work perfectly, and you can base up a handguard, dust cover to this handguard, and they will also fit very tight because the handguard is shaped with your weapon. I would like to make a point here that it has the shape of your weapon. That's why if you would like to put it on another rifle, it will not fit so well because it has already taken the shape of your weapon. But a new handguard can fit any of them because it is hammered. And one point here, this is your enemy. Do not use it. When you start filing a handguard somewhere in Russia, I am very disappointed because when you start filing it, you just destroy all the advantages that it gives to you, because it should fit tight, sometimes even tighter than on other rifles, because as I've told you, they have slight differences, and these slight differences can be a bit bigger, but still you need to hammer it, and that is the purpose of it, to put on aiming devices. You've created a basis for your aiming device, and that was the purpose of weapon upgrade number 1. Now moving to the purpose number 2. Another purpose of this equipment is to take heat from the barrel. Why? What's the purpose of shooting? It is to transfer a bullet from point A to point B. Not around point B, exactly to point B. But what happens when the barrel hits? And it hits because it's physics. During intense shooting, it expands, and the resistance which the bullet gets on its pathway out of the rifle, it also increases. That lowers the speed of the bullet. And the bullet's trajectory, it is not like a straight line, it's more like a ballistic trajectory. And when the speed is decreased, the trajectory also changes and you start missing the target. And it was your purpose to hit the target. That happens a lot when people use plastic handguards, because most of them have screens in order to prevent plastic from melting. Aluminium does not melt, unlike plastic, but that's not the main point. The main point is that those screens, they block the heat inside of the barrel. That's bad for the accuracy of shooting and also for the life of a rifle. So why should you put something on a rifle that decreases your performance and your accuracy? And metal aluminium handguard, it works like a radiator. It takes a part of the heat from the shot and it increases the accuracy and the life of a rifle, which is good. The third purpose of weapon upgrade is comfort and ergonomics. And that is rather a big topic, so I will discuss it in one of the upcoming videos. And this video is getting too long and I've got some news to announce. So, coming to my big news. Today I've spoken about AK, the features of its design that made us make our products like this. And there is one more rifle which has absolutely different design and will need absolutely different products. But I think that people who own this rifle, they will be very happy that Zenitco now makes upgrade for AR-15. An upgrade from Zenitco for AR-15 will come out this year. We finished that. It doesn't look like anything on the market. It is very unique, it is beautiful and it is wonderful. And it will be as reliable as the AK upgrade, but different. So The system will come out this year. Now we are testing it, and I am proud to announce the name of this system. The Joker is coming. The Joker system will appear this year. There will be videos about it, and I will tell more about it in the upcoming future. So stay updated and have a good day. Goodbye.